Good morning, Year 6. So this is Tuesday's maths lesson in our slightly different last week of home learning. So this one is drawing line graphs. Now I realise if you haven't got a paper pack, this could be a little bit tricky. However, I'm going to explain a few options here. Option 1 is if you've got any lined paper or plain paper at home, you could do your best to lay everything out, draw it out with a ruler and a pencil. Option 2 is on Purple Mash. I have set as a to-do the Purple Mash 2 graph app, which lets you make line graphs yourself. So if you have a watch of the videos on how to do that and have a play on Purple Mash, you might be able to put this information into a line graph on Purple Mash. Option 3, and indeed option 4, I guess, because it's the same thing. If you've got a laptop and if you've got on it Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, again, you could actually use the technology to create a table and create a line graph based on that table. Okay, although technically that is the computer doing the line graph for you, but you'll get the idea. So basically what I'm saying is do what you can. It's not a lesson that you can really do on this screen necessarily. At least I can't think of a way where you could draw on the top of the screen. Maybe you know more than I do. But do whatever you need to do. If it involves you drawing out on a bit of paper, draw it out on a bit of paper, okay? So, line graphs, question 1. We've got a table that shows the height of a plant recorded over a number of weeks. Number of weeks at the top, height of the plant in centimetres down here. Complete the line graph. Now, handily, it's put on for you, look. It's already done the weeks, and it's already done the height of the plant. So you just need to add in the information. So week 2, the height of the plant is 2 centimetres. So you put a little cross right in the middle here. Week 4 is 3 centimetres. Week 4, 3 centimetres. Now look, here's 2 centimetres, here's 4. So 3 is going to be halfway. Try and get your little cross as accurately as you can, etc. until you've finished the whole thing. You can join up your crosses with a line once you've done that. Then Whitney is saying, in week 7, the plant was approximately 5 centimetres tall. Do you agree? So once you've plotted all your points and you've joined them up with the line, you'll be able to see week 7 here and see where it comes to. And you'll then be able to say whether you agree or disagree there. Okay. Question 2 then, if I just go back up here. We've got the amount of water in 2 tanks during the day. Tank 1, tank 2, and the time. Now this time you've got to put in what you're having on the axis. So I would always do time along the bottom, and then you'll have your measurement of, was it in litres? Yeah, your litres down here. You're going to have to think carefully about what scale you want to use. There's no point in starting at 0. Well, no, sorry. You'll have to start at 0. But do you maybe want to go up in 250s for each square? Or, yeah, I'd probably go up in 250s looking at that. So you'd have like 0 here, 250, 500, 1,000, 1,250, 1,500, 1,750, 2,000, etc. There's other things that you could do, but that might be an idea. And then you're going to need to plot 2 lines, one for tank 1, one for tank 2. Have a go, see what you come up with. Number 3, Amir goes for a walk. He walks for half an hour before stopping to rest for 15 minutes. He jogs back he jogs 2 kilometers back to his house. He draws a line graph showing his journey. And it says that Amir has made a mistake. So can you see one mistake that Amir might have made? And then can you draw the correct line graph to show Amir's journey? Okay, so he walks for half an hour, then he jogs back 2 kilometers to his house with a rest of 15 minutes. So see what you can do with that one. Again, time along the bottom, distance up the side. Okay, always that same way around. See what that last bit said. How are they the same? How are they different? So it does say discuss with a partner. Just send us a message on Dojo or on here. That's fine. Number 4. Let me just check how long I've been talking. No, we're okay. The height of a balloon, hot air balloon, sorry, is recorded over 60 minutes. It starts at 0 minutes on the ground and rises at a steady rate. After 15 minutes, the hot air balloon is 500 meters above the ground. It stays at this height for 10 minutes. It gradually rises to 750 meters over the next 15 minutes. It stays at this height for 10 minutes. For the remainder of the time, the hot air balloon gradually returns to the ground. Draw the graph of the hot air balloon's journey. So we're starting at 0 and 0. Then let me just read that first bit again. It rises at a steady rate. After 15 minutes, the hot air balloon is 500 meters above the ground. So after 15 minutes, the hot air balloon is 500 meters above the ground. So I would be putting a little cross here, and I would be drawing a line, a diagonal line from that 0 to there. Okay. Stays at the same height for 10 minutes. So we're going to draw a flat line for 10 minutes going along at 500. It rises to 750 over the next 15 minutes. So you need to get up to 750 over the next 15 minutes. So about here. And then so on. Okay, so see what you can do on that one. I'm assuming there's a couple of questions. Oh no, that's it. All right. Well, good luck with that. I quite like that one. If anyone does get stuck on these, I'm happy to snip these onto a notebook so I can actually draw on top of them for you. So you can see exactly what to do. So do let me know if you need any extra guidance, because if you do, there's probably someone else who does as well. So let me, or whoever your teacher is, know, and I can do another video if needs be. That's literally not a problem. Right, okay, so good luck with that. That's Tuesday's work. I'll speak to you again soon.